Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about ProArgi9 and a high blood pressure testimonial. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. A while ago, I received this email from one of my customers. Not only is it nice to hear how someone has improved, but what is nicer is this is not an unusual report. I do hear often how nitric oxide therapy, as delivered by ProArgi9, has made dramatic improvements in people's lives. So here's the email I received. It starts, "Dear Arnold, yes, it's almost been a month using ProArgi9. And my report to you is things are going great. My blood pressure has gone down from 180 over 100 to 122 over 78, and no more night sweats wetting up the bedclothes and sheets. I'm sleeping most of the night and not having to use the restroom more than twice a night, down from 6 times. My weight is consistently at 230 pounds, and my appetite has improved eating lean meats and salads. My energy level is off the hook, and for once, my sexual drive is returning, and I hope will improve more and more as time goes on for a 62-year-old. My PAD in my lower legs and the numbness in my feet has been better with minimum numbness and tingling without pain. I just feel great after having my ProArgi9 in the morning and again at night. I can't wait to see what ProArgi9 does for me at 6 months." And he signs it, "Thank you, Arnold." I hope this email has inspired you as much as it does me. And if, like me, you use ProArgi9, you have added another path to renewed health. If you'd like to see more information on lowering your blood pressure, just click the link below this video to see my blood pressure repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. And to view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the above 2 video links. Have a great day.